And welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Let's kick off with football. There is still no clearance for this season's Premier League start, but according to JFF President Michael Ricketts, there's light at the end of the tunnel. More in this report.
The Jamaica Football Federation finally met with Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton on Tuesday as they seek the green light for the start of the Premier League on November 14. But while they did not leave the ministry smiling from ear to ear, there were no reasons for sadness either. Most of what was included in the JFF's protocol for the Premier League restart found favor with the Health Minister, but there was one sticking point.
I have instructed my office to have that rearrangement done and be handed to the office of Minister Tufton by 3 o'clock. He has assured us that within a week he will give us, hopefully, a very positive response as it relates to the restart of the Premier League.
JFF President Michael Ricketts is hopeful that with the adjustment, the reply can come in a feasible time for the kickoff this year.
The clubs will make that determination. They ought to be in a position to decide whether or not they can start, but they would have given an alternative date for, I think, the 6th of December. So if it's not feasible for November 14, then of course it would be December 6th.
And there is good news for Waterhouse, who will play their CONCACAF Club Championship game on November 5 at the National Stadium, as they were given the green light. Training at the national and club levels were also approved. Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.